Have you ever wondered what God truly thinks about the poor? Pope Leo XIV has a powerful answer in his new document Dilexi Te, which means I have loved you. What is Dilexi Te? Dilexi Te is Pope Leo XIV's first Apostolic Exhortation, a special letter written to all Christians around the world. The title comes from the Bible, from the book of Revelation, where Jesus says to a small, powerless community, "I have loved you." The connection to Pope Francis. This document has a beautiful backstory. Pope Francis was actually preparing this letter in the final months of his life, wanting to continue his message about God's love from his earlier document, Dilexi Te, which means, He loved us. Pope Leo XIV completed and published this work, making it his own, because he shares the same passion, helping Christians understand that loving Jesus and loving the poor are inseparable. The core message in simple terms. The heart of this exhortation can be understood in 3 simple points. God has a special love for the poor. Throughout the Bible, God consistently shows He cares deeply for those who are struggling, weak, or rejected. Jesus Himself was born poor, lived poor, and died as an outcast. When we encounter the poor, we are actually encountering Christ Himself. Love for God equals love for the poor. You cannot truly love God while ignoring those in need. Jesus said, "Whatever you did for the least of these, you did for me." Matthew 25 verse 40. It's not optional. It's at the very heart of being Christian. The church must be a church for the poor. Pope Leo XIV echoes Pope Francis's famous words, "How I would like a church which is poor, and for the poor." The poor are not just people we help, they are the treasures of the church. True worship of God includes caring for those in need.